Want your home to feel more refined, cozy, and effortlessly put together? These Amazon home decor and design ideas add elegant textures, smart accents, and eye-catching details that instantly elevate any space. From subtle upgrades to standout statement pieces, each pick helps create a polished, high-end look without the stress. All products you see are linked in the description. Hosting just got a whole lot easier. This folding bar cart rolls smoothly wherever you need drinks, snacks, or coffee ready to serve. Tempered glass shelves and a strong metal frame keep everything stable while adding a clean, modern look to your space. It arrives fully assembled and folds flat in seconds, so storage is simple when the party's over. Stylish, portable, and versatile, it's a smart helper for everyday living or special gatherings. Your living room just found its new centerpiece. This round glass coffee table features rotating tops that swivel smoothly, so you can pull snacks, drinks, or decor closer without reaching. 4 open tiers give you space to organize books, tissues, and everyday essentials while keeping everything easy to see. Tempered glass and a sturdy metal frame keep it stable, scratch-resistant, and simple to clean. Smooth, rounded edges and adjustable feet make it safe, steady, and ready for daily life. Your favorite relaxation spot can now float in the air. This hanging swing nest wraps you in soft cotton comfort, creating a cozy place to read, rest, or simply unwind. A sturdy circular frame keeps the seat supportive, while the included pillow adds extra cushioning for your neck or feet. It hangs easily from a strong branch or stand, so setup takes only minutes. Lightweight, calming, and beautifully simple, it turns any corner into a peaceful escape. Small spaces deserve big charm. This solid wood bistro set creates a cozy spot for morning coffee, quiet meals, or relaxed conversations outdoors. The sturdy table and 2 cushioned chairs feel strong and comfortable, while the stackable design makes storage simple when you need extra room. Natural wood grain adds warmth that fits patios, balconies, or even indoor corners. Practical, inviting, and built to last, it turns everyday moments into something special. Lighting can be art, not just brightness. This modern floor lamp features a sculpted figure holding a glowing moon, turning any corner into a striking decor piece. Soft touch controls let you switch between 3 light colors and adjust brightness to match your mood. The rechargeable design keeps cords minimal while providing hours of gentle illumination. Stylish, calming, and eye-catching, it adds warmth and personality to bedrooms, living rooms, or reading spaces. Give your plants a home that looks as good as they do. This tall concrete planter blends modern curves with a weathered finish for a clean, stylish touch indoors or outside. A durable concrete fiber mix keeps it strong yet lighter than expected, so moving it feels easy. Built-in drainage holes protect roots from excess water, with a plug for flexible placement. Simple, sturdy, and eye-catching, it helps your greenery thrive in any space. Upgrade your dining or living space in style. These modern chairs combine soft boucle cushions with sleek black legs and gold armrests for a chic, mid-century look. They're spacious, supportive, and can hold up to 330 pounds, so comfort meets durability. Easy-to-clean materials make maintenance simple, and assembly is a breeze. Stylish, sturdy, and elegant, they fit perfectly in kitchens, dining rooms, or even a cozy office corner. Turn any wall into a statement piece. This 3D LED wall art combines a modern plant vase design with subtle lighting, creating a calming glow that highlights your space. Made from durable sandstone, it's built to last while adding depth and style to living rooms, bedrooms, or entryways. Use the remote to adjust the light and set the perfect mood. Elegant, eye-catching, and functional, it brings art and ambiance together effortlessly. Set the mood with a bedside lamp that's both stylish and smart. This oval nightlight gives off a warm, cozy glow, perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, or even your desk. A simple touch lets you switch between 3 colors or dim the light to just the right brightness. Rechargeable via USB-C, it's portable and lasts for hours without being plugged in. Sleek, elegant, and practical, it's a dreamy addition to any space. Bring modern elegance to any corner of your home. This clear acrylic swing chair floats gracefully on a gold metal base, blending style with comfort. The durable gray fabric seat cradles you as you relax, while the sturdy frame keeps everything stable and secure. Its sleek design makes it a statement piece for living rooms, bedrooms, or indoor patios. Chic, comfortable, and eye-catching, it turns any space into a stylish retreat. Turn that unused corner into a showpiece. This 6-tier L-shaped bookshelf gives you plenty of room for books, plants, photos, and decor. Its open shelves make it easy to grab what you need, while the sleek white finish adds a modern touch to any room. Built from sturdy engineered wood and reinforced for stability, it stays safe even with pets around. Plus, the LED light strip is controllable with a remote or app, letting you set the mood however you like. Say goodbye to ordinary coffee tables. This lift-top table transforms instantly into a dining space or home office desk whenever you need it. 3 hidden compartments and drawers keep your living room clutter-free, while an open shelf lets you display your favorite decor. The split top moves smoothly with quiet gas support, so lifting or adjusting is effortless. Sturdy metal and wood construction means it stays stable and lasts for years. Bring a splash of calm and color into any room. This tall bubble wall fountain fills your space with gentle bubbling sounds that instantly relax you. 16 LED colors and multiple lighting effects let you set the mood, all controlled easily with a handy remote. The sleek acrylic panel and stainless steel base add a modern touch while staying durable for years. Plug it in, sit back, and let your room transform into a soothing oasis. Upgrade your living room with style and function. This TV stand holds big screens up to 80 inches while adding a modern farmhouse touch. Built-in LED lights let you set the mood, from cozy evenings to lively game nights, all controlled by remote or phone. 2 cabinets, open shelves, and an adjustable shelf give you flexible storage for gadgets, decor, and media. Plus, built-in outlets and USB ports keep all your devices powered and ready. Turn getting ready into a little luxury. This full-length mirror jewelry cabinet lets you see head to toe while keeping all your accessories perfectly organized. With LED lights that brighten every corner, you can pick earrings, necklaces, and rings easily, even in the dark. 3 shelves, drawers, and dozens of slots handle everything from bracelets to studs, while the velvet lining keeps everything scratch-free. Sturdy and stylish, it's your all-in-one jewelry and mini vanity solution. Make your entryway both stylish and functional. This sleek console table features 3 drawers for storing keys, mail, or small essentials, while the bottom open shelf is perfect for decor or baskets. Its modern wavy panel design adds a subtle artistic touch to any room. Slim and versatile, it fits behind a sofa or in narrow hallways without taking up space. Built sturdy with anti-tip straps, it's safe, stable, and easy to assemble. Turn a corner into your personal reading nook. This 6-tier tree-shaped bookshelf holds dozens of paperbacks, while the base drawer handles thicker books or miscellaneous items. Built-in adjustable lighting keeps your pages bright with 3 color settings for day or night reading. Its skinny vertical design saves floor space while adding a modern, artistic touch to any room. Sturdy, easy to assemble, and lightweight. It moves wherever you want a cozy spot to read. Relax in style with this elegant leather rocking chair. Its premium ebony leather feels luxurious while standing up to daily use. Solid wood construction keeps it sturdy and built to last. The minimalist modern design fits effortlessly into any room, from living areas to bedrooms. Rock back, unwind, and enjoy ergonomic comfort that makes lounging a true pleasure. Float into ultimate comfort with this round cloud couch. Its circular design and 14 plush pillows support your back, waist, and head perfectly. Extra deep seating with layered memory foam makes it soft yet supportive, ideal for lounging, reading, or movie nights. Big enough for 3 people, it doubles as a sofa bed or pet-friendly hangout. No assembly needed. Just unpack, let it expand, and sink into cozy relaxation. Give your hallway a stylish and practical upgrade. This extra-long runner rug feels soft underfoot while protecting your floors from scratches and spills. Anti-slip backing keeps it firmly in place, even in high-traffic areas. Its versatile design works in kitchens, corridors, stairs, or entryways, indoors or outdoors. Easy to clean, machine washable, and durable, it combines comfort, safety, and convenience in one simple rug. Brighten up your space effortlessly with these modern battery-operated wall sconces. No wiring, no hassle. Just mount and enjoy up to 50 hours of lighting, rechargeable via USB. Control the ambiance with a remote or touch, and choose from 3 color temperatures to fit your mood. Sleek and versatile, these dimmable LED sconces are perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, hallways, or entryways, adding cozy style and modern charm. Bring your greenery to life with this 7-tier hexagonal plant stand. Its unique shape lets you display multiple pots while creating eye-catching arrangements anywhere. Living room, balcony, or window. Made from natural eucalyptus wood, it's sturdy, moisture-resistant, and heat-treated for long-lasting durability. Each tier can hold heavy plants safely, and you can even expand it into creative honeycomb designs. Easy to assemble with included instructions, it's perfect for showcasing your favorite plants in style. Turn storage into modern art with this S-shaped 6-tier bookshelf. Each tier is divided into compartments, perfect for books, plants, collectibles, or decor. Its freestanding design works as a room divider, TV stand, or even a stylish wine rack. Made from metal and wood, it's sturdy, waterproof, and scratch-resistant, with anti-tip safety and non-slip pads for stability. Lightweight, versatile, and easy to assemble, it adds a sleek, geometric touch anywhere you place it. Bring a hypnotic display to any room with this 3D rotating sand art lamp. The fine, colorful sand flows uniquely every time you spin it 360 degrees, creating endless, mesmerizing patterns. 16 vibrant colors can be set with the touch switch or remote, letting you match the mood of your space. Made from high-transparent, scratch-resistant glass, it doubles as a decorative piece and gentle nightlight. Perfect for desks, bedrooms, or gifting to anyone who loves art and relaxation. Add a touch of sparkle to your space with this modern crystal floor lamp. Its K9 crystal bead shade reflects light beautifully, creating a subtle, glamorous glow perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or offices. A solid, wide base keeps it stable, while the convenient foot switch lets you turn it on or off without bending. Sleek, stylish, and easy to assemble, it's an elegant accent that elevates any corner. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.